Welcome to our tutorial on supercharging your e-commerce product pages. If you're managing an e-commerce store, you know how tedious it is to write unique descriptions and alt texts for dozens or hundreds of products. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how the Vision AI function in Google Sheets can analyze your product images and generate professional content automatically, saving you hours of work while improving your SEO and customer experience. The Vision formula can analyze images and extract or generate content based on what it sees. As you can see, column A shows our product images using the image formula, column B contains the image URLs, and I've added headers in our output columns. Let's start by generating SEO-friendly alt texts in column C. I'll select cell C and enter Vision $C$1 B2. Notice I'm using $C$1 with $signs to lock that cell reference. To apply this to all products, I'll double-click the fill handle in the bottom right corner of the cell. Because we locked the cell reference to C1, all rows will use the same prompt but analyze their respective images. Next, let's generate compelling product descriptions in column D. In cell D2, I'll use Vision $D$1 B2. This tells the AI exactly what type of content to generate. Look at this result. The AI has created a concise, marketing-friendly description that highlights the product's most important features. Finally, let's generate product tags for better organization and searchability in column E. In cell E2, I'll enter Vision $E$1 B2. Using our header as the prompt, the AI will generate relevant tags for each product image. These tags perfectly capture the product's category, features, and use cases, making it much easier to organize your catalog and improve internal search. Once your Google Sheet is populated with this AI-generated content, you can export it as CSV and import it directly into your e-commerce platform, whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or another solution. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more e-commerce automation tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want to see tutorials on other AI formulas.